Welcome. In this video we are going to see how the text sit into the frame and you can control where the text InDesign put into the frame. Now you can see the text is pushed out of the frame. It looks ugly. You can control it. In order to do that, go to object menu and choose text frame options. In the insert spacing section, you can set the padding of the text frame. I want to set only left and right side. So I unlink the chain. If the link is on, it automatically updated all of the field. So I unlink it and I set left side 9 points and the right side 9 points. And now I check the preview. You can see the left and right side 9-point padding is applied and it's look good, and you can see the top text also pushed out of the frame. You can correct it by set the top and bottom alignment. Also you can do that in vertical justification. Now it is aligned to top. If you switch to bottom, the text is pushed to the bottom, and if you switch to justify, it stretch all of the lines. It's look ugly. The top and bottom text also pushed out of the frame. If you set align to center, it's look good. So I applied the changes. I click OK. Now I want to go previous spread or previous page. So I hold Alt key and page up button in the keyboard. Now you can see the text is set to one column. Now I want to divide it into 3 columns. So I go to object menu and I select text frame options. Here the column field, you can set number of column you want. I set 3 columns, and the column rules, insert column rules, and you can set the number of space between the columns. I set 0.5 and click OK. It's look good. Thank you for watching. I will meet you the next lesson.